Hello everybody! In this discussion I will give you simple tips on how to take photos of clothing products with minimal equipment. I've prepared two samples of the products I'm going to shoot. Here I use a synthetic carpet of grass and only use sunlight. Let's follow the video to the end. First, I'll take the picture of this blue shirt. A little share actually inside the photography there is no such thing as a bad photo, only one that looks sharp and concept. Besides, we should know what we're meant to do with the photograph. Like the example in this video, I have a goal of creating a photo of a clothing product with a simple device, but resulting in a photo that has a great value. For the next second shot, I try to take a photo in a different position from the first. I'm trying to take it from a closer angle. See the difference between taking one and the first. Another tip you can use at home is the wall of your home. The walls of my house happen to be light gray. My t-shirt products, I just put them on the top stainless with the background wall. Look at the unedited photo produced. Thanks for watching. See you at the next video.